Twist hairstyles are one of the most beautiful, versatile, and culturally meaningful hairstyling techniques in the world, rooted deeply in African and Afro-diasporic history, where hair was not only a symbol of beauty, but also a marker of identity, age, tribe, social status, and personal expression, and for generations. Twisting hair has served as a bonding tradition in families and communities where people gathered to style hair while sharing stories, wisdom, and cultural pride over time. Twist hairstyles evolved from traditional cultural practices into a global fashion statement embraced by people of all backgrounds, representing natural beauty, creativity, empowerment, and confidence, while continuing to honor heritage and ancestral roots. A twist hairstyle is created by dividing hair into sections and twisting two strands around each other to form rope-like coils, producing a softer and more flexible appearance than braids, and this simple yet elegant technique can be adapted into countless styles ranging from classic two-strand twists to more modern variations such as Senegalese twists known for their smooth and sleek finish, Marley twists that mimic the texture of natural afro hair, passion twists that offer a loose and romantic curly look, mini twists that are small and delicate for long-lasting wear, flat twists that lie close to the scalp like cornrows, Havana twists that are bold and voluminous, rope twists that are tightly coiled for a polished finish, and twist outs where twists are unraveled to create defined, bouncy curls. Twist hairstyles are widely loved because they function as a protective style that shields natural hair from daily manipulation, heat damage, breakage, and environmental stress, while promoting moisture retention and supporting healthy hair growth, making them ideal for people who want to maintain strong, long, and vibrant hair with minimal maintenance. Creating twist hairstyles typically begins with clean, moisturized, and detangled hair, followed by sectioning the hair into even parts depending on the desired twist size, applying styling products such as creams, gels, or butters to define and hold the twists, twisting each section by wrapping two strands around each other until the ends are secure, and then styling the finished twists into various looks including ponytails, buns, crowns, half-up styles, side-swept designs, or accessorized looks with beads, cuffs, ribbons, or colorful extensions. Many twist styles incorporate hair extensions made from materials such as kanekalin, marley hair, crochet twist hair, or synthetic and human hair blends to add length, volume, and durability, allowing wearers to achieve fuller and longer-lasting results while experimenting with different colors, textures, and styles. Proper maintenance is essential to keep twists looking fresh and healthy, including moisturizing regularly with oils or leave-in sprays, protecting hair at night with satin or silk bonnets, avoiding excessive tension on edges, gently cleansing the scalp every 1 to 2 weeks, refreshing frizz with light styling products, and removing twists after several weeks to prevent tangling or damage, with well-maintained twists typically lasting between 2 and 8 weeks depending on size and care routine. Twist hairstyles are highly adaptable for all hair lengths, with mini twists and flat twists being ideal for short hair, two-strand twists and twist-outs flattering medium-length hair, and large twists, passion twists, or extension twists, creating dramatic and eye-catching styles for long hair, while also being suitable for men, women, and children alike, with men often wearing twist fades or sponge twists, women embracing elegant, bold, or creative twist styles, and children enjoying colorful, playful twists that are easy to manage and style. Twist hairstyles have a strong presence in modern fashion and pop culture, frequently seen in music videos, fashion runways, celebrity looks, movies, television, and social media trends where influencers and style icons showcase innovative and trendy twist designs, inspiring millions to experiment with new looks and celebrate natural hair textures. Beyond fashion, twist hairstyles play an important role in supporting natural hair health by reducing breakage, protecting fragile ends, minimizing daily styling stress, retaining moisture, and encouraging length retention, making them a popular choice for individuals on a natural hair growth journey. However, there are common mistakes to avoid when wearing twists, such as twisting hair too tightly, which can cause scalp pain and hair loss, neglecting moisture, which leads to dryness and breakage, keeping twists in for too long, which can cause tangling and matting, using low-quality extensions that cause irritation or frizz, and failing to maintain scalp cleanliness, which can result in buildup or itching. So proper technique and care are essential for achieving healthy and long-lasting results. Modern twist hairstyle trends continue to evolve with creative innovations such as bold colored twists, ombre and highlighted twists, bohemian passion twists, jumbo twists for dramatic volume, mixed braid and twist styles, textured natural twists, eco-friendly hair products, and personalized designs that reflect individuality and artistic expression, proving that twists remain a dynamic and ever-changing hairstyle. Twist hairstyles endure as a timeless favorite because they combine beauty, protection, culture, versatility, creativity, convenience, and tradition into one powerful form of self-expression, serving as a symbol of identity, confidence, empowerment, and pride while allowing wearers to celebrate their natural hair and personal style. And whether worn for everyday comfort, professional settings, special occasions, or cultural celebration, twist hairstyles continue to inspire and empower people around the world, reminding us that hair is not just a style but a story, a heritage, and a canvas for creativity and self-love. Twist hairstyles are one of the most timeless, creative, and culturally rich hair styling methods in the world, deeply rooted in African history, where hair was far more than just a beauty feature, but a meaningful symbol of identity, heritage, community, age, social rank, marital status, and spiritual expression. And for centuries, twisting hair served as a powerful cultural ritual where families and communities gathered together to style hair, bond, share wisdom, pass down traditions, and strengthen relationships, making hair care a social and emotional experience as well as a personal one. As people migrated across continents and cultures blended, twist hairstyles traveled beyond their original roots and evolved into a global fashion statement embraced by people of many backgrounds, becoming a proud symbol of natural beauty, individuality, empowerment, and self-expression while still honoring ancestral traditions and the beauty of texture hair. A twist hairstyle is created by dividing hair into sections and twisting two strands around each other to form rope-like coils, resulting in a soft, flexible, and elegant look that differs from braids, which interweave multiple strands. And this simple yet versatile technique can be adapted into countless styles ranging from classic two-strand twists that offer a natural and minimal look to Senegalese twists known for their smooth, sleek, and polished appearance created with extensions, Marley twists that mimic the texture of natural afro hair for a fuller and more organic style, passion twists that create a loose, curly, and romantic vibe, mini twists that are small, delicate, and long-lasting for low maintenance wear, flat twists that lie close to the scalp similar to cornrows and allow for creative patterns, Havana twists that are bold, chunky, and dramatic, rope twists that are tightly coiled for a clean and refined finish, spring twists that add bounce and movement, twist fades, and sponge twists